Hi, this is April Salsa with Fuego Dance Studio, and I'm here with House of Fire.
House of Fire, Cumbia instructor, as well as local comedian out of Yuma, Arizona.
Yes, we're very excited. Today we are bringing you our very first Cumbia partner work. So I know a lot of you have asked for this video, and here we are. Today we're going to be teaching you how to dance the 3 basic steps with a partner. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. If you don't know your basic step, I'm going to go ahead and link the video where I teach you the 3 different basic steps for Cumbia. So from here, remember the lead is always going to step back with that left foot. And for my follows, we are going to step back with that right foot. Good. So we are opening up on that same side. Good. And closing. We're going to do this from an open position. Here's our closed position, but for now, we're gonna stick to open. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Other side, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Open, come back to the middle. Open and close. Open and close. Open, close, open, close. Good. Yes, and also for our arms, what we want is we don't want to hyperextend, right? We don't want to do this. We want to keep our elbows somewhat bent. And I'm feeling some type of resistance from him, and I'm also giving him some resistance back, okay? We want to feel like we're dancing with someone as opposed to kind of just like a lazy hand, and that's hard for a lead to lead that, okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and bum, bum, bum. Good. There we go. And open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. We're going to slow that down, and I'm going to have House of Fire face you so that my leads can practice their footwork. Here we go. Okay, we're going to be doing our basic. So my leads are going to follow his footwork. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to slow it down just a little bit. We're going to make sure that you have it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good. Now we're going to do it just a little bit faster. So my leads, if you need to stop or pause this video and practice, go ahead. Right now we're going to do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good. Good job, everybody. All right, we are going to switch, and my follows. Let's get ready. We're going to take it from the back. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's do that a few more times. Remember that when we step back and we come back to that middle position, there's a slight pause. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good. We're going to take it up a notch and just go a tiny bit faster. Again, if you need to pause the video, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good. Awesome job, everybody. Okay, so we just did our first basic step, and we are going to continue with that same step, but we are going to switch up the hands just a little bit. So this is our open position, and we just did the basic step of 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. We're going to do the same thing, but now the lead is going to push my hand open, and we both open up. So let's show them what it looks like, and then we'll break it down. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Good. Let's do that nice and slow. So for leads, as we're stepping back, he's pushing the palm of my hand with his fingers. So let's get this up close. So we have our hand here. He is pushing the hand back so that I'm able to open up. Good. So we're going to do it here. I know you can't see our feet, but just for the hands right now. 6, 7, and he pushes open and hold on to this hand. And we come right back, and then he's going to push my left hand. Push it open and come back to connection. Push open, connect. Now my left. Open, connect, open, connect. Good. For my follows, and what we do as he is opening us up.
So I'm pushing out, opening, pulling back, push out, reconnect, push out, reconnect.
Good. So for my follows, when that happens and you feel that push, right? Instead of us just leaving our arm down, because this is what it would look like. If he does that, it's just kind of down, right? And down. It doesn't look very nice. This is what we call a dead fish arm, right? It's just kind of there. Nothing's happening. So instead, they open up and we toss it. And we keep it about this level, right? Waist level. So as you toss out, it's kind of like a lazy hand, right? A lazy girl hand. I don't know if that's a thing.
Yeah.
Is it a thing? Okay. So it's here. Toss, and then he's going to ask for that hand as we come back to home base. Toss. Yes.
Okay.
And hey. And boom. And hey.
Leads are going to catch the female's hand about a second before she gets there. Like this. And crouch and catch. One catch and catch.
So now that we have the arms, let's go back and we're going to incorporate the arms with our basic footwork. Let's go. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good. We're going to take it from the back for my follows, just so you can see the basic step with the arms. So you see what it looks like. Nice and slow. Follow along with me, and let's try to do that arm styling. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good. For my follows, if you're not ready to kind of be a little extra just yet, you will be in time. We're just going to kind of keep our arms to the side right here. So it looks like this. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good. So it still looks really nice, and it gets us used to keeping our arms. It gets us used to keeping our arms up as opposed to dancing with our arms down and just kind of dangling. Great job, everybody. We are going to move on to our second basic. We're going to do our second basic with a partner, and we're going to demo it really quick, and then we will break it down for you. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Close position. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and good. Okay, so let's start with our open position first. For the basic step, if you don't know our second basic, I'm gonna go ahead and link the video so you can practice that basic step by yourself before you partner up. I almost think of this step like if it's just a sliding step, like your feet hardly pick up, right? They hardly pick up from the ground. So, and one of the most important things about this step is you want to take very small steps. I like the second basic danced in closed position. I think it's really nice for couples or for partners when we're here, and the steps are very small. So it's bum, 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 like we're barely moving, but it's a really nice Cumbia step to dance together. Okay, so keep your steps nice and small. Here we go. We're going to try from open position first, just so we can practice together. 5, 6, 7, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Good. No, we are not dancing bachata. When we play the song, everything will kind of make sense, right? So let's get into our closed position and try this step. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and bum, 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 and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good. You know what? Let's slow it down. This way you can practice with us. We're going to do it here. So leads, you can follow House of Fire, and then we will switch. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's switch. We're going to rotate. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, and a bum, 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 and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nice and slow. 2, 3. Small steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Good job. High 10, your partner, and tell them you're doing a great job. Or do you want to say that as the lead?
I have no idea what you want to say.
I'm going to cut that in.
I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say. Put that on bloopers.
Okay, for my leads, right? So on that second step, our second basic step, instead of us just dancing here in a closed position, the awesome thing is that you can take your partner and you can take that step and we can dance together in a circle as long as you're doing that 2-step with your partner. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and nice and small steps, and bum, 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 and a 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So we're not just staying in one position. You can, and then switch it up to where we can go in a circle. Good. And then leads can open up, and we're back to that open position.
Leads, don't be afraid to do the first step because she's possibly waiting on you. And a lot of women, of follows don't want to lead because they're already, on a philosophical level, they're already leading the relationships where they want their husbands.
I didn't say it.
I did because I said this in my classes. They're waiting for the man to take charge. 2, 3, maybe halfway, like, oh, I don't know. Just keep going. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. April?
Yes, perfect. So that is what we have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And also comment down below and let us know what you thought about the moves. And let us know if you are practicing them and how that's going. We'd love to hear from you guys.
If you also want us to break down a certain other movement on these videos, let us know.
Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.